Microsoft Translator has recently been added to Word, PowerPoint and Excel, and it's a more efficient way to communicate with the world, because constantly Googling translations is time-consuming and can lead to mistakes. Translator will help you send and understand important business documents with international partners, without ever having to scribble notes or Google anything. It's not quite as perfect as a human translator just yet, but it's becoming more intelligent and intuitive every day. As business becomes more globalized, Microsoft Translator will become a must-have tool for organizations of all sizes. Did you know there are dozens of other useful hidden features in Office 365? And your IT support company should be telling you about them. We've got plenty of ideas to make your business more efficient. Contact us today.